True leadership is not about power, but about defending truth and serving with justice and charity. In the heart of Rome, in the year 492, a son of an African immigrant named Valerius rose to the papal throne. His name was Gelasius, a priest, a scholar, and a man of justice. As Pope, Gelasius I confronted heresies that threatened the unity of the Church, the Acacian Schism and the Manichaean heresy. He stood firm against the Patriarch of Constantinople, defending the supremacy of Rome in Alexandria and Antioch. Gelasius was also a reformer. He suppressed pagan festivals that distracted Christians from true worship, and he ordered that the Eucharist be received under both species, bread and wine, affirming the fullness of Christ's presence in communion. His writings enriched the liturgy, with some preserved in the Leonine Sacramentary. Gelasius I died on November 21, 496, remembered as a pope of charity, learning, and courage. His legacy reminds us that faith must be defended, justice must be upheld, and worship must be purified. Lord, through the example of Pope Saint Gelasius I, grant us courage to defend the truth, charity to serve others, and faith to remain steadfast in you. Amen.